Wait, can I really say the N word? What up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Big ups, my nigga. We are my nigga. You pussy.
Guys, ça qu'a fait qui j'aimerais moi retourner back avec une nouvelle vidéo pour nous aujourd'hui qui c'est un prank, ok? So, bon, pas parler trop fort, ok? Guys, moi pas prank Marim là, ok? Moi pas prank aujourd'hui, moi décidé prank aujourd'hui, moi pas prank, ok? So, guys, prank ça c'est nous connaissons Halloween, so ici on est Halloween, ok? Halloween veut dire fête des morts, ok? So et comme ça on fête ça ici. So j'ai fête ça ici, il y a des gens qui achètent un bon bagage tête mort, un bon bagage tête coupe, bagage pour faire mon père, ils mettent devant la caillou pour faire mon père, ok? So et puis yo kon fête là tout des côté qui kon fait fête pour aller dans fête pour aller danser tout le monde habillé tant que zombie, ok? So c'est comme ça on fête Halloween ici, ok? So elle fête des morts. Ok, ça va le faire là guys. Pas parler trop fort non. So me va prank Marim là, ok? Me va prank Marim là guys. Je vais dire que ça va assez très bien. So, je vais pas parler trop fort parce que c'est l'autre bon là. So, je vais pas parler. Je vais acheter un bagage sexy parce que l'autre a fait ça ici. Il y a des mesdames qui sont habillées bien sexy, qui presque mettent kilotes sur guys pour aller dans fête ça. Ok? So, je décide de prendre les gens, je connais pas mettre bagage coûte pour me sortir la rue, ok? Je vais acheter un bagage bien sexy, bien coûte. So, nous parlons d'habillement ça, guys. So, c'est comme ça, pour je nous parlons d'habillement, c'est comme ça, mon habillé pour aller dans fête ça, ok? So, bon, pas faut plus parler, je pral habiller et puis je pral dire comme ça, je pral aller dans fête, ok? Je pral dans fête là, dans fête Halloween, ok? So, guys, moi, je souhaite que tu me passer très, très bien. Regardez, parce que je ne vais pas parler trop fort, attendez, ok? Regardez. Ok, bon nous t'ai aperçu ça va le mettre, ok? Mais les gars, nous regarde ça. C'est regarde ça va le mettre. Ça c'est kilote, ok? Bas de kilote, bas de chaussettes whatever. Bas de chaussettes. Ça son pégan. Ça c'est on va mettre dans cou. Ça pour mettre dans tête, ok? Ça pour mettre dans tête. So guys, regardez. Je vais l'habiller et puis je vais aller dans le salon, ok? Je vais aller dans le salon. Je vais aller pour le venir. Pour le venir, pour le ouais. Ok? Pour le ouais, si bon, je vais demander est-ce qu'elle est bon pour aller dans la fête là, ok? Ok. Alright, so. Regardez. Comme ça, guys. Pas que c'est pour que ça me passe. Ok.
Yeah?
I'm going to a Halloween party. How I look?
Yeah, you look good. Halloween party.
Yes?
Oh yeah? You have a party today?
Yeah, I told you my friend, she will come and pick me up because we going to the Halloween party. So I'm gonna just like this. So how you think? What you think about my dress? I look good?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me call her to know where she is. Okay.
Okay. Leah. Oh, wow. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
I look good, babe.
Yeah, you look good.
Okay, let me call her. Hello? Where are you? Oh, you outside? Okay, I'm coming. Alright. I'm coming. But I'm ready to go.
serious?
Yes, I'm going to a Halloween party. This is how they dress to go to a Halloween party. What do you mean if I'm good?
No, which party that you're going to Halloween that I'm not going to? And this is how you're dressing to go to a party without me?
Yes, but so he's not good?
So you know what you're
So
in?
really sexy,
and I
really
can see right
nice.
here that you don't have nothing on
It's a
there.
nice dress.
You don't
This
have
is
nothing
how
on
they
there.
dress.
You don't have nothing
Man,
on there.
this
Where
is-
you going?
This is how they dress.
So,
Come on, man. This is how they dress to go to the Halloween parties.
yeah, but when I'm going with you, I'm not going with you. You going by yourself like this?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So
She's
you think this
outside.
is she's outside? No, who is this friend?
My friend.
Who is this?
Yolanda, you don't know her?
Are Yolanda?
Yolanda, yes.
So you're going out with Yolanda like this?
Yes.
Without me?
Babe, it's look good. It look good. I don't see nothing wrong with this. The dress is not too short. You know, see? Nice. I'm going. Bye. Give me your kiss. Bye, babe. Bye. Okay, bye. See you later.
Are you? Put your ass there.
My
Put
friend,
your ass here.
She's outside.
Put
She's
your
waiting
ass
for me.
here.
What
Put
you
your
think
ass
I'm
here. So where
going?
you going?
I'm going to
Where you
Halloween
going? Take a look.
party.
Where you going dress up?
I'm not
Where you
going.
going like this?
Halloween party, baby. No, I'm going. You said no. Like I don't see nothing
So where you
with
going?
this dress. This dress is
So you're
nice,
gonna go out.
it's
So
sexy.
you're gonna go out with your friend dressing like this, okay? And then me and Ali are gonna stay in the house waiting for you.
Babe, come on.
What do you mean?
It's a Halloween party. This is how you dress.
No, you're not gonna go nowhere dressing like this without me. You're not going nowhere.
So, I'm not good.
You're not going
What you
nowhere.
mean to you?
Put your ass right here. We're gonna look for movies and watch right. You're not going nowhere.
Hey, she's,
Put your ass
she's
right here.
outside.
Put your ass
So
right
you
here.
want me to
Okay,
call
tell
her
her
and
to
tell
come
her
and watch.
like-
Tell her to come up and watch the movies with us.
No,
Have a seat right
she's
here.
outside
Have a
waiting
seat
for me.
here.
Come on.
Have a seat.
I need to go. Like, this is how
Have
you
a
dress to
seat.
the Halloween party, babe. Come on,
Have a seat.
I'm going.
Have a seat.
It's time to go, you see. It's gonna start at 10 o'clock. It's 9:41. So
Have
I
a seat.
have to go. Like,
I say have a seat.
bye. See you later. I told you, see you later. Babe. See you later. See you later.
Go have a seat. Where you going? You're not going nowhere. Have a seat.
Oh, babe, you too much.
You're not going nowhere. Be careful with the Leah. You're not going nowhere.
Just stop over there.
No. You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere.
Man, it's a Halloween party. Watch me. This is
That's
how I
it.
just.
So you don't dress like this when I'm in the house. You're gonna dress like this to go outside for men to see you. Where you going? You're not going nowhere. Where do you think you're going? Nowhere.
It's a party. This is how
I said nowhere.
Everybody
I'm not going.
dressing
You're not
like
going
this,
nowhere.
like-
If I'm not going, you're not going nowhere.
This is good.
You're not
like,
going nowhere.
Some people they wear
You're not
like
going
underwear
nowhere. You're not
in
going
bra.
nowhere.
You see
I
all
don't-
everything.
Listen,
You see the ass.
listen, I don't care about other people.
Baby.
I'm telling you, you're not going nowhere.
And
If I'm not going, you're not going to.
And I'm going with Yolanda.
Done.
It's a girl.
Done.
It's
I'm
a
not
girl
going.
like me.
You're not going to.
So-
Done. Yolanda, okay, tell her to come in. We're gonna watch your movies here. You're not going
Come
nowhere.
on, babe. Like,
No.
No.
You're not going nowhere. So you're gonna go outside dressing like this and enjoy and not stay here with Aaliyah? Are you crazy or what? Why are you going like this? And without me, where you going? Huh. Come on, baby.
Babe, I have to go. Like, come on. What?
You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere.
Going.
You're not going nowhere. Go see.
I'm going.
Teacher, go see. Go see.
It's a prank.
Go and see.
It's a prank, babe. Come and say, Team Koda, come. Guys, it's a prank. Mwen pren jodi a. Li te prank mwen, mwen ti ko sa m pa oubliye prank sa te fèm. Mwen te kamera. Be, guys, mwen bien prati kon pe, li konen mwen nan Halloween party, guys. C'est Team Koda vibes.
No. Tim
Tim
Keller
Keller.
Brother, yes, there's no prank, okay? She's not going
Yeah,
nowhere
it's a prank.
dressing like
It's a
this,
prank. I
okay?
prank you,
Without
okay?
me, without
So
me.
mwen remet li prank la.
No.
Mwen remet
No.
li prank la. Okay, so
No,
yeah.
no.
I know. Mwen konen mbap gale mbap sote bukot. Mwen sans même, but moi, pris coup. Okay? So guys, si vous
Without
aimez petit
me,
break ça.
nowhere. Dressing like this, nowhere.
Ok, guys, si vous aimez petit break ça, abonnez, commentez, dis-moi comment petit break là t'es passé, ok? Faites-moi connaître, et puis restez branchés pour picture, pour photo, ok? Sur Instagram. Ok? Alright, guys. Ben, what dit Team Kout vibes? C'est Team Kout vibes. Ah. Alright, guys. So, commentez, like, et puis restez branchés pour plus prank, ok? N'a après de l'autre vidéo.